Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I have an unboxing. I got an order in from Amazon today, and I think it has 3 watches in it. So I'm going to be opening these watches up to show you what's inside. I'm going to go over them just a little bit, and I will also review these watches individually once I do the unboxing so that you guys can take a really good look at them. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I'm going to get into this package in just a minute, but before I do that, I just wanted to, as always, thank all my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, especially if you like to see watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here on Dave the Watchman here on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on my Rumble channel, and also themselves.To, where I also post affiliate links to all of the watches that I review here and some watches of interest, so you can pick up any of these watches through my affiliate link, and that really does help out a lot. So without further ado, let's get into this package and show you guys what I got in the mail today. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. Looks like we've got a Timex. I'm giving Timex another shot at this. Not sure what this one is, and this is a Pagani design. So we've got a couple of watches here to go over. Which one do you guys want to open first? The mystery box, the Pagani design, or the Timex? Shody, what do you think? Which one, buddy? Come on over here and take a look. Which one do you think I should open first? Okay, you don't care. Alright, so let's just go with the Timex, guys. Alright, Timex. I've given Timex a couple of chances on this channel, and they've let me down twice on the same watch. I had ordered a Harborside watch, and it came what looked like it had been, you know, the bezel was really tight when you turn it. So I had returned that, and I ended up receiving another Timex, and it was doing the exact same thing. So I'm giving Timex another shot with a different watch to see if maybe that was just a one-off on that model. But let's get into this. First off, I'm noticing the package is a little bit beat up. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Looks like it's already been opened and kind of tossed around a little bit, but let's get into it and see what we've actually got here. Alright. Again, the package looks a little bit rough. This is a Timex Expedition. Pretty similar to the Harborside that I had reviewed before, but I got a different band on it this time. And I just wanted to give these bezels another chance and basically give the watch another chance. It does come with the instruction booklet. First off, very light. It's a very light watch. Let's see. Oh, guys, the bezel doesn't even turn on this one. It's a completely false bezel on this watch. So it's actually worse than the other one, because at least the other one did turn. The band is pretty flimsy on this thing. It's canvas. It's a canvas band. It's meant for being outdoors and being rugged. But guys, this is a really low quality watch. Honestly, if this didn't say Expedition on it, I would throw it off to the side, just like I do with those cheap Sheen watches and those cheap AliExpress watches that I get that really aren't worth anything. This thing is very light. It almost feels like a toy when you're holding it in your hand. The bezel doesn't even turn. Now, I understand that some people might want something like this. Me, personally, this is not my type of watch at all. I mean, I'm in for low priced watches, but this is not a low priced watch, guys. This is I think it's around $90 for this thing. And honestly, I would not pay $90 for this watch. Like I said, I think, some people might want something like this. You can wear it when you're going fishing or when you're going camping or whatever. But for me, I just want a little bit more for my $90. And that's what I'm all about here at DaveTheWatchman.com. It's budget-friendly watches for the everyman. But honestly, Timex just keeps on disappointing me. This watch, like I said, the bezel doesn't even move. And for $90, you'd expect it to have at least a glass crystal, mineral, at least maybe a hard Lex type of a crystal. Definitely, I mean, possibly even a sapphire. I've reviewed watches in the $90 range that have had a sapphire crystal. Guys, this is acrylic. It's acrylic. The crystal is not even sapphire, or it's not even mineral crystal. The pros on this watch, it is very light. But that's also one of the negatives. I guess if you're looking for something where if you're going camping or fishing or doing something outdoors, you want something light. But I don't know how well that acrylic glass is going to actually hold up in all weather conditions. It is a date format watch. It does have lume, but I don't know. I'm not really sure if the lume is on just the hands or if it's on the numbers as well. It doesn't look like there's any lume painted on those numbers, which is another thumbs down on this watch, because for $90 you'd kind of expect the numbers to be illuminated also. But it honestly, I mean, it looks like they're just on the hands. And honestly, to me, that's just kind of cheap. But anyhow, I will do a deeper review on this watch. So if you're interested in a watch like this, for me, it's a no-go. This is the third Timex watch that's actually disappointed me. At this point, I don't know about these Timex watches, guys. It seems like, they're not that great. But anyhow, let's get on to the next watch in this unboxing. Like I said, guys, before, I will be posting links to all of these in the description below, whether I like them or not. Whether I like these watches or not isn't shouldn't be any, determining factor here. I mean, if you like something that I don't like, I'm just telling you my opinion and what I would pay for. I mean, this watch, honestly, is very highly reviewed on Amazon. So there are a lot of people that actually like this watch, but for me, it's just not what I'm looking for, especially in this price range. So for me, it's a no-go. But I will be posting a link to it in the description below if you guys want to pick one up. So on to the next watch. We've got a Pagani design here. Now, Pagani design is known to have some really, really nice watches, especially in the budget-friendly price range, and they offer a lot of value for that money as well. But let's see if we can get into the box here first. It's kind of tight. Let's see here. I'll try not to wreck it. Okay, the box is a little bit tight to get into. Alright, so we're in, thankfully. Alright, looks like it comes with a cleaning cloth. Okay, so this is I actually bought this watch. Now I remember, I actually bought this watch to actually compare it to this watch. So I got both of these to compare them side by side. So now you're going to see what I look for. The price point on this watch is actually only $20 more, around $20 more than this one. So now we're going to be able to show you what you can get with a Pagani design up against a Timex. And they're pretty similar watches. Not exactly and not identical, but in the price range, let's see what you get with the Pagani design as opposed to the Timex. First off, I'm noticing, obviously, is that they give you a canvas wristband with the watch to switch it out with the, it looks like a silicone wristband. And this has a pretty unique clasp on it. It looks like it's a, that's something that's pretty unique. I'll be going over in more in-depth review on this to show you that, but that's right off the bat, that kind of looks really cool. It's a nice little clasp there. Now this watch looks very nautical and outdoorsy, much like this Timex Expedition, but it looks, there you go. Nice feel on this bezel too. Also, it doesn't have a lot of back play at all. I mean, it's very tight bezel. Now this watch actually has, it's a Seiko NH35 automatic winding movement. I really love how they put their Pagani design logo on the crown. Very nice watch. Sapphire crystal, it says it right on the sticker here. Sapphire crystal, and it's got like a bubble crystal on it. If you can see that, how it rises. This is a very nice watch, and for it's somewhere roughly around $100 for this thing. And for $100, you're getting an amazingly spec'd watch for that price. For me, this one is hands down over this one. And like I said, they also offer the canvas bracelet for it as well, or the canvas wristband, so you can actually switch it out. And once again, Pagani design with their beautiful exhibition windows, and you know I'm a really big fan of these exhibition windows just because I love to see the insides of the watch, and I like to see the movements in there and everything kind of taken away. But yeah, very nice watch. This is a watch that is very nice. You're gonna, you know, it's got that, you know, yachtsman kind of look. Looks like a much higher end watch, and just a really good quality with the brushed stainless on the side. Looks like it's got a 100-meter water resistance with a stainless steel back. Very beautiful watch. I am really impressed by this one. This is really nice. But yes, I did, now that I look back at it, I do remember ordering both of these side by side to try and compare the Pagani design with the Timex. And guys, I'm going to tell you, the Pagani design definitely wins this one. So I will be posting a link to this in the description below. This is definitely a go for me. At somewhere roughly around $100, I believe this one is right now on Amazon. I will post a link in the description below for that, and that is definitely a great deal for this watch. It's very highly spec'd for that price, with the sapphire bubble crystal, the screw down winding crown, the self-winding automatic, the date window, stainless steel at 100 meters, the two different bracelet options that you have on this watch, the solid rotating bezel on this thing, sweeping second hand. This is just a beautiful watch all around. I definitely recommend this watch. I have not worn it yet, obviously, because I just opened it up in front of you guys, but this is a watch that I think I'm going to really have a great time wearing. So let's get on to the next watch, which is the final watch in today's unboxing, and see what that one is. Looks like it's nothing on the box. I don't see anything here. Oh, this one is also another Pagani design. Which one did I order here? Okay. Yeah, this is something I've wanted to check out, because I know you guys know that I love this blue, this teal color blue. This is one of my favorite colors, actually. So I've wanted to check this watch out. I still have the plastic on the bracelet here, but let's take a really, a good look at this. Okay, really nice milled clasp on this thing. This watch has the Seiko NH38. I believe it's the Pagani design 1719. It does have a sapphire crystal. Oh, that's a really nice raised bubble crystal on this thing. I'm not sure what type of bezel this is, but damn, that feels good. That's got a really nice satisfying click to it. Very easy to turn. Not a lot of back play at all on these Pagani designs. Really nice quality watches. Once again, it's got the screw down crown. It is a self-winding automatic, I believe. Self-winding. Okay, it's got a sea turtle kind of engraved in the back of it. It is a diver. It does say, let's see, what does it say? Stainless steel. I'm not sure if the whole thing is stainless steel, but it's 300 meters of water resistance. This is a really nice watch. If you're looking for a watch with this style to it, I mean, this has a very good It's got a very aquatic look to it, very dive looking, boat friendly design. Looks really, really nice. This is a sharp looking watch. Um, Very nice. I don't know what the lume capability is on this thing, but I can only imagine if it's Pagani design that it's got great lume on it as well. This watch I believe was somewhere in the neighborhood of 130 bucks, and right now I think they're even offering a 10% off coupon. So if you head on over to Amazon.com right now, you can actually get $10 off of this. Pay $119 for this watch. Once again, these Pagani designs are amazingly specced out for the price. I mean, you're not going to get sapphire crystals, 300 millimeter water resistance, Seiko movements. These, you know, for that price with the milled clasps, these things are just wonderfully specced out for the price. I have really not a lot bad to say about Pagani design at all. I think these are just wonderful, wonderful watches. And like I said, I will be doing a more in-depth review on all of these watches, but I do have a couple more watches coming in with the next couple of days. I have a Seiko coming in, a Seiko Prospects coming in. So you guys want to stay tuned to the channel for that. But this Pagani design, definitely a go. This Pagani design is definitely a go. And for me, this Timex is definitely a no. But like I said, we all like what we like, so I will post a link to this in the description below. So if you do like this watch, you can head on over and pick it up using that affiliate link. And that affiliate link does send a couple of dollars over to me if you do decide to purchase it. So I really do appreciate it when you guys click on that affiliate link. If you do want to see any of these watches or any of these other watches that I do have displayed here, I have them all posted on my website at themselves.To, where you can go check out any of these watches and see the reviews on them, and you can even check out some watches of interest. I am also Dave the Watchman on Rumble, so if you want to check out that Rumble channel and follow me there. And I also post a few different things on that channel as well, so you might want to go over and check out that channel over at Dave the Watchman at Rumble. So with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it really does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at themselves.To. And until next time, you guys all have a great day.